In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat location glitch. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this glitch usually means your Bitmoji is stuck in an old spot or jumping around the map or showing you in the middle of the ocean, which is obviously not what you want. So what you want to do is a background refresh fix. So on iPhone, go over to settings, then go over to general, and then locate the background app refresh section, which is going to be right there. Then go over to Snapchat, and whenever you find Snapchat, ensure that background app refresh is enabled. So I'm going to enable it right now for Snapchat specifically, and then that should definitely help. And then what you want to go ahead and do is toggle precise location. So we're going to go back and back again to our normal settings page, scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says apps, and then over here, locate Snapchat. So I'm going to go ahead and find Snapchat right now. And then once you go ahead and find Snapchat, go ahead and click on it. Then on the top, you're going to see location. And if it's on, ask next time or when I share, go ahead and switch it to always and ensure that precise location is turned on as well. And then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.